Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find people's profile in LinkedIn. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your LinkedIn app, which can be downloaded through App Store. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now you have entered your LinkedIn. Now you can scroll through here to find some people's profile on this LinkedIn app. On the top side you can see search bar. Tap on the search bar and type for the people you want to search for. For example, there may be other people's naming of these people as well. To find the profile, here these are the posts. Tap on people. Now here you can see different people named Binod Chaudhary. Scroll through them and the one who you want to see the profile of, tap on the profile. Then you can go through their profile. And that is how you find people's profile on LinkedIn. Thank you so much for watching till the end. This is all for today. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.